Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Umbreon from Pokemon Chibi Easy. So let's get started. To draw cute Umbreon, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across and draw another circle. So say about right here. Now that I have my two circles in, I'm going to come back in here, and because Umbreon's eyes are red, I'm going to come right here and draw one circle and another one right here. And in the center, I'm just going to go ahead and make it darker with black. And then everything else is just going to be red. That way we can just give it some color in the eyes. There, so same thing over here. It just seems it's too small for Draw So Cute eyes, so I'm just making it like this. So just the center is darker and everything else around it is going to be red. With some highlights there. Okay, so then now that we have the eyes in, we're going to come to the center and draw a tiny little nose. So let's say about right here, just like a little triangle. There, like Pikachu, right? Okay, so then we're going to come to the center right there, come down a little bit. I'm going to give myself a point, and from there I'm going to draw two curves out. Now that we have the mouth in, let's come to the top of the eye, and let's say about right here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve above each eye. And then now that we have the eyes in, let's come and frame the face. So let's say about right here, center of your eye, come down a tiny little bit, and then we're going to go out. So I'm just going to say about right here. I'll just give myself a point, and same thing over here. So let's say about right here, just like the other side. From there, I'm going to go up and draw a curve. So it's going to be around the brow, nice and high. And so same thing over here. Just a big dome over the head. So let's bring this up. And come about right here for our center. And then come down. There, nice big dome. And then let's come back down here and draw a tiny bit of cheeks. So right here where you started, just pop it out a tiny bit. And we're going to bring it in. And about right there, let's bring this curve in. And we're not going to close it off, so it's just about right there. And here, I'll stop for now. And so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So just like Pikachu, we're just going to pop them up about right here. So let's say about here and here. Thinner at the bottom, and we're going to go up. So I'm just going to nice big curve. And say about right here, I'll stop, round off the tip a little bit, and bring it right back in. So nice and full. Bring it right back in. So the other ear I'm going to pop out about right here. And I'm going to flop it down this time, so same width, and say about right here. And let's go out. So I'm just going to try my best to make it about the same size as the other ear. So say about right there, round off the tip, and bring it in. There. And then let's come over here behind this area, and we're going to draw a stripe. So just draw a big curve that goes across, and one more here. And so same thing over here. That's what makes Umbreon special, right? Okay, so we have the two stripes in, and then let's draw this center circle right here, or oval. And I'm going to put it right in the center. So let's say about right here, I'll just give myself a point And I want to bring it down to about right here. So I just want to give myself a point so I know where I'm going. So draw a curve right in the center. And bring it down. And connect. And now come in here. Just and draw the same thing. Just follow the outside, but just smaller. There. Now we have the first circle right there. Now to draw the body. So let's come about right here. We're going to center the body. About right here, right underneath the eye. So same thing here, right underneath the eye. And let's bring this out. So we're just going to give a slight curve and then outwards. Slight curve and outwards. Then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. See how long we want to bring our body. Let's bring it down a little bit more. Just so I have an idea of how long to bring down the arms. So something like that. Then I'll come back in the center. So find my center, come out. And about right here, I'm going to draw a curve and this side as well. From there, I'm going to continue this curve down. Just give a little curve outwards, and I say about right here. I'm going to curve a little bit and then connect it at the bottom. About right here, round it off, and connect. A soft little front leg right there. So same thing here. Curve, and about right here, just like the other side. And curve out. And connect. Then we can come back. So now that we have the arms about right here, let's say about right here, we're going to draw a curve in between. This is going to come out. So in this area right here, I'm going to pop out the tiny foot. So I'm just going to add a little curve right there. Round it off. And connect. And then right here, I'm just going to add two little curves. And same thing here. So continue outwards. And so say about right here, just like the other side. And connect. There, I get the little feet in. And now for the tail. So right here, we're going to pop it out. So it's basically kind of like the ears, but much bigger. So right here, I'm going to bring it in. And connect back. And just like the ears, we're going to bring in a little band right here. So a nice big curve about right here. And so in terms of the body, we have these rings as well. So for the arms, I'm just going to put them right here, just so we know it's there. So same thing over here. And for the feet, I'm not sure if it makes sense, but I'm just going to put one right here. I just feel it needs to show that. So say about right here. And I almost forgot, let's add two little curves right here as well. And here, going this way. And I know we always have to add a heart, right? So let's just stick it right here. Not sure where to put it anymore since there's this blocking it, but I'll just put one right here. So now it's my Umbreon Chibi Easy from Pokemon. And I really hope I did make this fun and easy for you to follow along with me, and that inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.